Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 video lesson series. In previous tutorial we have learned how you can insert a picture from online as well as from your PC. So in this video tutorial we will be learning about video. Little bit more exciting thing. So how you can insert video in your presentation. Sometimes there may be a need that you want to show some video into your presentation. So there is no need to open external media player when you are presenting something. You can insert right away your video into your presentation. So that's a very good thing. So let's see how you can insert it. So let me create first a new slide. So I'm going to this insert ribbon and selecting this new slide option. I will select this title and content slide and select this add slide. So new slide is added now. Now I am writing online education information, and there are multiple ways to insert video into your presentation. It seems my information spelling is wrong, so I am correcting it. First one is using this icon of video. So click on to this icon and it will open up this window. Second one is by going into this insert ribbon and selecting this online video from this media section. So both are same actually, but this is a second way. So click on to it and you will find the same window which one previously. So you can insert videos from two sources. First one is from your SharePoint site and second one is from YouTube. So let's embed our YouTube video. So let me search YouTube video. I am searching keyword online education. Press enter key to search. And these are the various videos related to online education. If you want information related to video, then you can click on to this video and you will find your information about this video. Deaf and caller are talking on what we are learning from online. So this is a TED talk. Now, so to insert this video, click on to this video and click on to this insert button. So this video will be inserted into your presentation. Now you can adjust size of this video, and my video is added into my presentation. I'm aligning this to center. You can also write onto this video if you want, but I don't want to write anything on this video. I'm just inserting this video. So this is the way you can insert video into presentation. This video will not run until you start presentation or a slideshow. So let me give a quick view of this slideshow. It's saving my changes and it will open new window and it will open slideshow. So this is my video slide. As you can see, the YouTube player is inserted into my slide. If you want to run this video, just click on this play button and my video will be started. So this is very exciting. You can fast forward your video using this seek bar
platform from 4 universities.
It's related to online education.
It's supposed to color correct that blurry red image. They're typing their program into the browser.
So this way you can insert video and present in your presentation. Thank you very much.